Dear viewers, in today's video we're going to show you the top 12 Milwaukee tools to buy this year. Let's begin. Milwaukee 2482-20 BANDFILE. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel 1/2 inches by 18 inches BANDFILE redefines cordless performance in pneumatic tools for automotive, industrial, and metalworking professionals. This bare tool, powered by the M12 Red Lithium XC4 battery, delivers unparalleled spot weld removal rates, removing up to 50 spot welds per charge. Its power-state brushless motor ensures exceptional performance, while the two speed settings, high 3600s FM, low 1800s FM, forward or reverse function, and variable speed trigger provide unmatched control. With 360 degrees arm rotation, tool-free arm rotation, and belt changes, it offers greater mobility and access. The Milwaukee BANDFILE features a lock-on button for extended use and comes with two 60-grit 1/2 inches by 18 inches sanding belts for added convenience. Built to withstand professional demands, this BANDFILE embodies Milwaukee's commitment to quality, durability, and innovation. Milwaukee 2488-20 Soldering Iron. The Milwaukee 2488-20 M12 cordless soldering iron is engineered to deliver fast application speeds and exceptional performance for soldering tasks. With an 18-second heat-up time and optimized temperature maintenance, it ensures efficient operation throughout demanding applications. The heat indicator, powered by RedLink intelligence, alerts users when the tool is ready to use and safe to store, enhancing work efficiency and safety. Its 3-stop pivoting head provides unmatched access, allowing users to adapt the tool for various applications and work in confined spaces with ease. Compatible with all M12 battery packs, this soldering iron offers up to 40 minutes of runtime on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted workflow for extended periods. With its LED work light and tool-free tip change capability, it provides added versatility and convenience, making it a valuable addition to any professional's toolkit. Milwaukee 2470-20 PVC Shear. The Milwaukee 2470-20 M12 12-volt cordless PVC shear is engineered for precision and efficiency in cutting plastic pipes. With the ability to slice through 2-inch Schedule 80 PVC in just 3 seconds, this tool offers exceptional performance for plumbing, HVAC, and electrical applications. Powered by M12 lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, it provides over 200 cuts on a single charge, ensuring uninterrupted workflow. Its stainless steel blade and aluminum jaw are impact, water, and rust-resistant, ensuring durability and longevity in harsh working environments. The ultra-sharp blade with a pierced point delivers burr-free cuts on various materials, including PVC, CPVC, PEX tubing, and more. Equipped with a variable speed trigger and an onboard fuel gauge, it offers precise control and real-time monitoring of battery status, enhancing user productivity and efficiency. With a 5-year warranty, the Milwaukee M12 PVC shear is built to withstand professional demands and deliver reliable performance for years to come. Milwaukee 2522-20 Cutoff Tool. The Milwaukee 2522-20 M12 Fuel 3-inch compact cut-off tool is a versatile cutting solution designed for one-handed use. With a power-state brushless motor spinning at 20,000 RPM, it delivers fast and accurate cutting performance in various materials. Its reversible blade rotation feature provides ultimate cutting control, allowing users to select their desired blade rotation direction. Included accessories like a metal cutoff wheel, diamond tile blade, and carbide abrasive blade offer versatility for different applications. This tool features tool-free accessory guard and shoe with a vacuum adapter for dust mitigation and cut depth adjustment. With an LED light for improved visibility, the 2522-20 ensures efficient and precise cutting in confined spaces. Compatible with common 3-inch cutoff wheels, it offers convenience and ease of use for professionals across different industries. Milwaukee 2724-20 Handheld Blower. The Milwaukee 2724-20 M18 Fuel Handheld Blower delivers powerful performance and unmatched efficiency for landscape maintenance professionals. Powered by a Red Lithium high-output XC8 battery, sold separately, it produces 450 CFM and 120 mph output. Capable of clearing debris from 15 feet with a variable speed trigger and high and low speed settings, users can adjust the airflow for different applications. The blower features a lock-on button for continuous operation, reducing user fatigue during extended use. Compact and lightweight, it is up to 4 pounds lighter than competitors, enhancing user comfort and maneuverability. Built with power-state brushless motor and RedLink Plus intelligence, it ensures optimized performance and overload protection. Compatible with over 200 solutions on the M18 system, this blower offers versatility and convenience for professional landscapers. Milwaukee 2848-20 inflator. The Milwaukee 2848-20 M18 inflator is the fastest cordless tire inflator designed for fast, accurate, and easy inflation on the go. With a maximum 150 psi rating, it features true fill technology, activating an auto pressure check to ensure the target psi is achieved. The auto shutoff feature prevents overinflation, providing added safety and convenience. Equipped with 4 psi memory slots, an all-brass Schrader chuck, an onboard hose and nozzle storage, it offers versatility and ease of use. Powered by M18 batteries, it delivers premium components and durability to handle tires over 100 psi. Backed by a 5-year tool warranty, this inflator is a reliable solution for inflating passenger, light truck, and medium-duty tires. Milwaukee 2723-20 compact router. The Milwaukee 2723-20 M18 fuel compact router is a powerhouse tool designed for precision and efficiency. Powered by a brushless motor and RedLink Plus electronics, it rivals corded trim routers with 1.25 horsepower and 31,000 RPM. With an M18 Red Lithium XC5 battery, it offers up to 250 feet of 3 by 8 inches roundovers in red oak on a single charge. This handheld router features micro-adjust and macro-adjust mechanisms for fast and accurate depth adjustments, while the variable speed dial allows control from 10,000 to 31,000 RPM. Equipped with dual LED lights and a sturdy 4 inches sub-base plate, it ensures stability and visibility during operation. Compatible with plunge and offset bases, sold separately, this router provides versatility for various applications, making it an essential tool for professionals seeking clean, quality cuts in hard materials. Milwaukee 2984-20 braking die grinder. The Milwaukee 2984-20 M18 fuel variable speed braking die grinder offers unmatched performance and convenience for demanding applications. Powered by a brushless motor, it delivers corded performance with variable speeds from 8,000 to 20,000 RPM. Featuring rapid stop technology, it provides braking in under 2 seconds for enhanced safety and productivity. Compatible with one key, it wirelessly connects to smartphones for tracking and management. This die grinder includes a 2 inches cutting wheel and 3 inches sanding wheel compatibility, offering versatility for material removal and surface prep tasks. With RedLink Plus intelligence and a paddle switch design, it ensures maximum performance, durability, and user comfort. Whether in tight spaces or heavy-duty applications, this die grinder delivers the power and precision professionals demand. Milwaukee 2727-20 chainsaw. The Milwaukee 2727-20 M18 fuel 16 inches chainsaw delivers the power and performance of a gas engine without any of the hassle. Powered by a brushless motor and red lithium high-output HD12 battery, sold separately, it cuts hardwoods faster than gas and delivers up to 150 cuts per charge. With a variable speed trigger and automatic oiler, it provides full control and proper chain lubrication for increased productivity. Featuring a 16 inches Oregon bar and chain, it ensures efficient cutting performance in various applications. Designed for professional landscapers and utility workers, this chainsaw offers unmatched runtime, durability, and ergonomic design. With RedLink Plus intelligence and a dual stud system, it ensures optimal performance, overload protection, and improved bar and chain retention. Whether on the job site or in the backyard, this chainsaw delivers the power and reliability professionals rely on. Milwaukee 2735-20 LED work light. The Milwaukee 2735-20 M18 work light is built to last, boasting remarkable durability and longevity that surpasses traditional incandescent bulb work lights by 600 times. Powered by M18 red lithium batteries, it provides up to 4 times longer runtime on a single charge. With a 90 degrees rotating head and integrated hook, it offers hands-free use and versatile positioning. Featuring TrueView high-definition output, it produces a neutral white color and an even beam pattern for clearer visibility. The sealed aluminum head ensures impact and weather resistance, backed by a limited lifetime LED warranty. Perfect for various work environments, this cordless work light delivers reliable performance, extended runtime, and hassle-free maintenance, making it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking maximum productivity. Milwaukee 2460-20 cordless rotary tool. The Milwaukee 2460-20 M12 rotary tool packs exceptional power, versatility, and durability into a compact design. Powered by a high-performance motor and red lithium battery technology, it delivers corded-like performance with up to 10 times longer life and 10% more speed. With variable speeds from 5,000 to 32,000 RPM and compatibility with standard collet sizes, it offers thousands of cutting, grinding, sanding, and and polishing solutions for various applications. Designed for professionals in maintenance, electrical, plumbing, and automotive industries, this rotary tool provides unmatched performance, control, and comfort. Grinder-style exhaust ports and front bearing protection ensure durability and longevity, making it the go-to solution for close-quarter cutoff and grinding tasks. Milwaukee 2719-20 HACKZALL. The Milwaukee 2719-20 fuel HACKZALL is the ultimate one-handed reciprocating saw, offering unparalleled cutting speed and power. Powered by a PowerState brushless motor and featuring a best-in-class 7 by 8 inches stroke length, it cuts up to 50% faster than competitors. Its compact design provides superior control and maneuverability in tight spaces, while the dual-gear counterbalance mechanism reduces vibration by up to 4 times, resulting in faster cut starts and reduced user fatigue. With RedLink Plus intelligence and Red Lithium battery technology, it ensures optimized performance, overload protection, and extended runtime. Perfect for professionals in construction, plumbing, electrical, and HVAC industries. This HACKZALL delivers unmatched durability, efficiency, and versatility on the job site. Bye for now. We hope this video on the top 12 Milwaukee tools to buy will help you find your best fit.